What's up guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to do something new for the channel, and it's called the Volcano Chicken Noodle Challenge. Some of you may have seen that on YouTube already, but today I'm going to get this and see how I react. I hate spicy food, and it's a mess when I start eating spicy food. Me and my girlfriend will do this challenge, so stay tuned. Smells already spicy. This is the volcano sauce. Alright guys, so this is the Volcano Chicken Noodle Challenge, and I have my girlfriend to help me out. Any thoughts and any words you want to say to my subscribers?
Hi everyone, I'm Haryan and I'm with TechFive right here, and we'll do the challenge. TechFive doesn't like spicy food, he hates it. I love it so much, so we'll see from there.
Yeah, spicy food and me don't go together. I have a complete breakdown. She likes it. So, as you guys seen in the little outtakes I did, this is the volcano sauce we put on the noodles. So are you ready?
Let's try.
It smells very spicy already. Holy shit.
Oh my god, it kicks after. Wait, why am I having...
Should have got milk.
Is there a prize finishing first?
No price.
Are you okay?
Wow. Alright. So initial thoughts. The aftertaste burns my whole chest area. Burns. Is it spicy for you?
It's okay. Not that bad.
Wow.
I'm done. You gotta eat it fast.
Like I said, she likes spicy food. She grew up in the Philippines. Everything has to be spicy.
This is kind of normal for me.
See, for them, it's normal. They like spicy foods, their culture. They eat everything spicy.
Way kicks after.
It does. I don't know if I could finish this.
I think I need milk. It burns my tongue and my lips.
Bring milk. So this is a spicy pepper powder. It has a red pepper extract. And the red hot soy sauce, guys, right here. I will show you the ingredients close up. Right over there. Oh my god. Ariana's grabbing milk right now. I feel lightheaded. I don't want milk. I'm gonna do this without milk. Go ahead, you get it.
No?
No milk.
Really?
How did you eat it so fast? I have no idea.
You gotta swallow it whole. That's the technique. It's more like torturing because you eat it slowly. Yay! I'm seriously having to do that. It helps. It helps.
Okay. So, what level would you say spiciness of this?
After eating it, I think it will be 1 out of 10, like 8.
What's more spicier than this that you could compare to that you have ate?
I think the sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings.
Spicier?
Yes.
We should do that next.
No, I don't want to do that in front of the camera.
Alright guys, so thank you for tuning in. That was the Volcano Chicken Noodle Challenge. Was not a smart idea on my part.
He doesn't want milk, so.
Give me a thumbs up. Give her a big thumbs up for finishing that fast. And she's okay with that. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. I can't do this no more.